So we're here today in leafy Lancaster Grove in the heart of Hampstead, looking at one of Internorm Commercial's first projects, Lancaster Grove. We were working with a company, Optic Realm. It's a relatively small project. It's only 12 apartments, although they are extremely high-spec apartments. So using Internorm Windows for those guys was a relatively easy choice.
The deciding factor in choosing Internorm was definitely the service. We had a number of windows on the table, so to speak, a couple of which would have met the technical criteria, but the service we received was definitely what put us forward into Internorm's arms.
Although the project is a relatively small project, it wasn't without its technical challenges. Some of the things that we had to achieve on this project, such as integrated glass balustrades without the stainless steel top trim to maintain cleanliness of lines. High-level windows required electric actuation in order that they could provide ventilation without the need for ugly external hardware on those units.
As Optic Realm, we're a privately funded, family-owned, private developer. Everything we build, we keep. So we look long-term, not short-term. So the products we choose have got to be not only suitable for the next 1 to 5 years, but 5 to 10 to 15 and beyond. We don't want to be coming back and servicing windows or any other part of the development intermittently. It's something we take quite closely to heart and make sure that we choose the right product.
The Internorm HF310 windows that are specified on this project are a timber aluminium composite with a 48mm triple glazed unit. This means that they have a U value of 0.78, which is extremely thermally efficient.
We chose a composite window for our project due to a number of factors. Externally, with it being aluminium, there's very low maintenance and you get nice crisp lines on the sight lines. We could also choose from any colour we wanted, which was quite a deciding factor due to the colours we were using on the project. And also internally, with it being residential, we didn't feel that an aluminium finish internally was suitable. So we thought we would go for the timber finish internally.
The great thing about working with Optic Realm is the level of attention of detail they go to on every aspect of their projects. What it means is that the residents of this building and Optic Realm themselves will get many, many years of great service out of these products. The result of that care and attention is a window and door package that will stand the test of time, not just now, but for many years to come.